Now, two boom box speaker from Zealot, two beast of a speaker, two massive speaker, two powerhouse are going to be going against each other in this video. We're going to be comparing the Zealot S89 and the Zealot ZE21. Like I said earlier, both speakers are boom box speakers from Zealot, so both speakers are okay, they are great. But in today's video, we're going to find out which one actually has the best sound quality. When it comes to bars, which one hits you harder? If you find this video helpful, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know your opinion regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. Let me know which one you think killed it, and I'll be sharing my opinion with you guys, so I advise you stay to the end of this video. In this comparison, we're going to be testing out both speakers with different beats, different volume on different EQ. So I hope you have your headphones, because this one's going to be major, or you play from a loudspeaker so you know which one actually played better. So basically, for a better sound experience, you got to be listening from a good audio device. Regarding size, the Zealot ZE21 is more portable compared to the S89. Both of these two speakers are huge, but I'm going to say the ZE21 is more portable. You know, it's more taller, but it's more portable compared to the Zealot S89. If size is a problem for you, you definitely want to go for the Zealot ZE21. It can actually fit in tight corner compared to the S89. So for instance, you're that kind of person that likes to play music when doing your house chores. You want to take your speaker from one place to another, the bedroom, the kitchen, you know, you want to take it around. You actually want to consider going for the ZE21 because it can actually fit in tight corners. You know, it eats a lot of space compared to the S89. Both speakers are massive. Like I said earlier, both speakers are okay, but in this sound comparison, we're just going to find out which one is more better when it comes to sound performance. And if you're looking to get one for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better choice. Or if you're just curious, then this is definitely the video for you. I've actually uploaded some beats, so if you like the beats that I'm using in this comparison, you can check out those beats in this channel. Don't forget to support, and don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your opinion. I would like to know your opinion, which one you think killed it. And I'll be sharing my opinion with you guys at the end of this video, so I advise you stay to the end. Both speaker came with a strap, and both speaker has a handle. The light feature is impressive, but both speaker is amazing. So I don't know which one to pick from when it comes to light. Both speaker just has a great light feature. And there's a button on both speakers to switch from one light mode to another. And you can also set the lights in a way that is going to move according to the rhythm of the song. That's one impressive thing I love about Zealot speaker. If you're not a fan of the lights, there's a button to switch it off as well. The same button used in changing the display of the light, that's the same button used in turning off the light. Regarding shape, both speakers are beautiful in their own unique shapes. For the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details regarding their features, price, and all that stuff. You want to know more about that, you can check out the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel. To make it easier for you, I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description below. And if you want to get one for yourself for purchase link, check the description as well. In today's video, we're just going to play both speakers. Let's see which one is the king of bars, you know, which one has the overall sound quality. So without further ado, let's jump right into the sound battle. So now this Zealot S89 is on normal EQ, and we're going to go on 20% volume. Let's go. Normal EQ, 20% volume. Still on normal EQ, and we're going to go on 50% volume. So let's crank it up a bit. EQ. Let's crank it up to 50% volume. Let's go. I'm going to bring it up a bit to 70% volume, still on normal EQ. Let's go. Volume, normal EQ. Still on normal EQ or default setting, whatever you want to call it. Now let's go to 100% volume. Let's go. Let's take it to 100% volume. That's it. Let's go. Volume, check it out. Vocal Boost EQ. Let's go. EQ, 50% volume. Let's go. 100% volume. Still on vocal boost EQ. Let's go. 100% volume, vocal boost EQ. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Normal EQ, 50% volume. Let's go. Volume, normal EQ. Let's go. 100% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. Okay, when playing on vocal boost EQ and normal EQ, the sound on both speaker is okay, it's impressive. The instrument separation is great on both speaker. The Zealot ZE21 seems to be more calm, and regarding my experience, the ZE21 has a better sound stage. When playing on vocal boost EQ, the sound from that speaker seems to be sharper. The total output power for both speakers is 250 watts. The massive sound on both speakers make both of them a great choice. Whichever one you want to go for, both speakers are okay. It's definitely worth the investment. If you're that kind of person that love playing the Zealot speakers in bass EQ, then you definitely want to go for the ZE21 because it has a better sound when playing in bass EQ compared to the S89. So with that being said, let me know which one you prefer. Let me know which one you think killed it. So thank you so much. You've come to the end of this video. Until next time, peace and love.